Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add a Lidl Plus card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Now tap on the plus icon from the top right side of the screen. Here tap on Debit or Credit Card. Then tap on Continue to start the setup process. Now you will see the option to scan a card. You can place your iPhone over the card and keep it in position until the card details are detected automatically. If you prefer, tap on Enter Card Details manually. Here, enter the cardholder name and the card number exactly as shown on the card, then tap Next. Now enter any additional information requested, such as the expiry date and security code. After that, review the details and make sure everything is entered correctly. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to verify the card. Depending on your card provider, you may receive a verification code by text message, email, or through your banking app. Enter the verification code when prompted. Now wait a few moments while Apple verifies and adds the card to Apple Wallet. Once the setup is complete, the card will appear in your Wallet app and will be ready to use with Apple Pay if supported by the card issuer. You can also open the Wallet app anytime to view, manage, or set the card as your default payment method. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.